Okay, welcome back. We're doing the last mission in the video, but it's fine because we have this overpowered piece of shit. So, it's all good. Look at it, they all just die. How wonderful. Cover the rear. Are dead already. I really like the multiplayer in this game.
Yeah, I never knew that it had online on it.
Yeah. Of course, what awesome game doesn't have online? Wow, it survived 2 hits. Interesting.
Well, an awesome game that doesn't have online. Only Musha doesn't have online.
Yeah. A game that has online which sucks. Modern Warfare. Yeah.
Modern Warfare, Call of Duty 4.
Am I done or what?
I really do hate Modern Warfare and all that other stuff.
Yeah.
It's so retarded.
Am I done or what? Okay,
I
it's
swear
glitch
one of
again.
our fan peeps are gonna be
Okay.
like, oh, what the fuck, why are you
Okay,
hating
it's
on
this
that
glitch
game?
again. If I go back here and then go forward, maybe it'll work. Because I actually need to do this to get the warp pad, which is kind of annoying. Go. I went back to the Starship Phoenix to save and I forgot there was a cutscene. Oh well. Hello, everything's done. Let's move forward. Okay, you're kidding me. Seriously. Gotta be kidding. What do you want me to do? Whoa! Wow! That was cool. Do I need to go behind it? Do you want me to physically go behind here or what? Because look, I'm going behind. I'm behind the base. I'm shooting the base. Okay, what kind of weird fucked up glitch is this? I'm doing this again.
It's always been glitching up.
This is
starting to hate now.
This is just taking the piss. Okay, I'm cutting till I do it. This is just annoying. Finally! Recording again, yay! Don't care, you piss me off. Starship Phoenix. I'm actually going to do this one quark level because I actually like it. It's my favourite. Just because it's nefarious. I'll skip the cutscene, but the rest of it I'm not.
Wait, wasn't this the Black Water City one?
No, this one's the epic music that we listened to yesterday one.
Ah, okay.
Let's go. Skip this comment. No, I don't want to skip it. There we go. That's how you do it. I can skip it if I want, but I'm not. I like it. It's cool. The comics are cool. Evil Joker face. Don't care. Why?
Oh, I remember this stage. Yeah, this one used to give me trouble.
Wait a minute, Nefarious isn't speaking. Oh yeah, I forgot, that's a glitch in it. You have to kill yourself. You need to kill yourself, otherwise Nefarious won't talk, which is really weird.
Yeah.
There we go.
Do something, Lawrence.
Well, that's a sensitive boy, isn't it?
Oh, I like the way you behave, Lawrence. Can we do that? Make it so.
I love it. It's funny. Whoa! Oh, I thought there was someone there. Lol. Fail. I'm not actually going to get everything. I just want to complete it. No, no. Okay, I'm safe. Okay. No. Okay, that was close. Wait, the help is that way. Balls. Cock-a-doodle. What have we done?
What? Get a free lube job. Oh, that's the disintegrated.
I love that one. Oh, that's how you do it. Oh, I'm being stupid. It's the level is too awesome. Tell you what, it's bloody hard to speedrun. I love that. Oh, this is getting good. More popcorn moments. Oh, stop! It's awesome. The Varys is a kinky bastard. Well, I suppose so is Lawrence for suggesting what they were doing. LOL! Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. No! Well, that sucks. Damn you, Lawrence, and the Various, damn you all. Stop the sensitive boiling acid, you whores. There's the end. Maybe I shouldn't go. Oh, lol. I'm a winner! Wow, lots of money.
You have million? No.
That's
Wait, how much do you have?
Since I bought pretty much every mega weapon, off camera, not much. Don't care. No, we gotta go to Quark Space. We have 577,000.
Jeez.
Don't worry, that's going to increase rapidly when we get to Quark Space. Quark's hideout is just...
Oh, I remember this stage. This stage was awesome.
It was difficult though.
Yeah, it was difficult.
It's also awesomely awesome. Aww. Right, go to this one. Fighting stuff. And we'll test the barrel and get the rhino out. There we go. And now things start to come alive. And at first I couldn't figure out what to do because it was on the other side. I was just like, what? So I tried to jump to it and I failed. It was like, what the fuck? What am I supposed to do here? It makes no sense.
I like this reference right here, the lawn ninjas.
Yeah. I love the lawn ninjas. They're awesome. Gadget. What pat? Right. Go up. Activate. Let's get the rhino out. We need it. And they are why. The quarks. There's hundreds of them. And they're unbelievably powerful. They're so overpowered, it's unbelievable. Oh, you're still alive. Lucky quark. You got lucky. Actually, I say that, but he's dead now, so it's fine, lucky. I should set a warp pad, but you don't actually need to. Wait for it. And... yeah. That's how it's done. That's how you do it in this game. You cheat.
Wasn't there like a, what's it called?
There was a titanium bolt near the start of the level where the ship was. And there was a trophy later on. There's also a skill point up there if you break the snowman dam.
Yeah.
Which is quite cool. Reference to the second one. And they always reference that one guy. Cool. I like that one guy. The one guy is awesome. The one guy is awesome. Yay, awesome guy. I died a few times trying to get it though, which is kind of annoying. Right. Oh right, yeah, I remember now. Hyper shot. Hyper shotting. Oh balls. I think it was bad. Okay, pick the rhino, there we go.
I remember this part. This part is so unless you got the rhino.
The rhino makes everything easier. actually makes everything much, much easier. Okay, help me. Okay, there you go. 3,000. Loads of bolts. Lots more bolts. And there's the Quark army. The Quark armada. They can't even match looks the likes of me. Oh god, this performance. Don't even try it. Yay! I'm at pretty much 1 million. Yay! I'm nearly at 1 million bolts again. Hooray! Told you it wasn't hard. I know it plays Clank, which won't take long either. It's just as easy. Here we go. Go on, Ninja. Now I have 1 million. Yay, me.
That was super fast.
That's because I'm awesome and I have a rhino. So nothing can destroy me. Yeah, I've decided what I'm going to do is I'm going to what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the Insomniac Museum with the teleporter thing to show you how it actually works. And then when I've got everything, I will just show you all my trophies and stuff, and then I'll just open the door that way and show you how that one works as well. Not difficult. Just because I want to get it over with, really. Because I want to go in the Insomniac Museum. Because I love the Insomniac Museum. I really want to show off the rhino, so... Because it's just too awesome. I don't want to use another weapon. I don't need to use another weapon. It's just too cool. Wow. Boom. It went boom. One of my favourite areas to get bolts in the game. I don't know why. It doesn't give you too much, but it gives you enough. Actually, I think it does give you quite a lot. Actually, I can't remember. Don't care, it's just a monkey. What if I was to aim it over there?
Monkey coming from here.
Get it? Lol. Lol. Okay, how much do we get? A lot. No, you did get a lot. You get 84,000. That is quite a lot, actually. And I'm only a times 12. If I was a times 20, man, that would be a lot more. That'd be almost double. Okay, that was close. Get down here, monkey. Get down and on your knees. Good monkey. Bananas over there. Good monkey. Banana's actually over there. Get it. Come back this way. Get your banana. Good little stupid monkey. Okay. Oh yeah, we got these. Destroy the cannon. It takes forever. Okay, there we go. Lawn ninjas. Lawn ninjas. Okay, they're all dead. That was really easy, actually. They are all dead, right? Or is there one more?
Seems like they're all dead.
I can hear them though. Why?
How about that?
That part's awesome. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Here they are. No.